Next, we go to iWhistle to print a special whistle for this event. We can choose from creative, traditional, or customized. Let's try customize. We customize the whistle from the sound. Clear is good. What about the whistle number? If we add 1, then we should proceed equalizers. As we add more, 1 or 2, even 3 whistles, there are more options of equalizers. 1 whistle and clear sound are just fine. Let's continue. On the lower left side, there are stickers, hooks, and text. Select fish in the hope the swimmer swims as smoothly as a fish. Use the 3 buttons to adjust the position size. Check details. Add a hook, just in case we lose it. And type swimming to customize it. Don't forget to choose your favorite colors. When finished, move to the last step, print. This process is the same as we did in the last video. This is the custom whistle we printed. Here we are at the swimming competition. Here comes the award ceremony. This is the 3rd place. This is the 2nd place, and this is the 1st place. So in this swimming competition, we have medals, Lego minifigures, flowers, clappers, a loudspeaker, a whistle, and a fan. All these things, or even more, can be found in Xmaker app. Now it's your turn to create and organize an event. Keep your creative juices flowing with our app. See you next time!